Life can get busy. Between work, school activities, and everything else on our plates, it can feel like we're constantly passing each other by. I craved a change, a way to bring our family closer together. That's when the idea struck, a home designed for togetherness. We worked with an architect who understood our vision. We wanted a space that wasn't just a house, but an extension of our family life. The key? Integration. We blurred the lines between inside and outside. Large windows bathe the house in natural light and eliminate the feeling of separate spaces. Whether we're cooking in the kitchen, playing games in the living room, or relaxing by the pool, we're always connected. Every detail was intentional. The cumarwood flooring flows continuously from the front door all the way to the pool deck. It's a subtle connection, but it reinforces the feeling of everything being one big space. Even the bedrooms were designed with family in mind. The kids' rooms are positioned close to the living area, making it easy to check in on them or have movie nights together. Stepping back into the space after construction was complete filled me with joy. It wasn't just a house, it was a canvas for creating memories. Even the kitchen, a space often isolated, feels connected. A small window allows me to be a part of the conversation while whipping up a meal. And when the day winds down, we can retreat to the balcony, sharing stories and watching the sunset paint the sky. This house isn't just bricks and mortar. It's a testament to the power of togetherness. It's a place where laughter echoes, stories are shared, and love grows stronger with each passing day. This space isn't confined by walls. It grows and changes with us, just as our family does. It's a haven for shared experiences, a stage for our ever-evolving story. They may grow up and leave the nest, but the memories built here will last a lifetime. This house is a constant reminder of the importance of family, a reminder to cherish every moment together.